Everyone, I'm Mrs. Rani Raut. Today we are going to learn about 6th grade science subject. In the today's video, we are going to learn about the new chapter exploring the plant zone. First upon, we are taking information about plants. Plants are living organisms. They prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They are autotrophs. All other living organisms depend upon plants, either directly or indirectly, for their food. Plants give us fresh air, oxygen, food items, wood, medicine, gum, rubber, perfumes, wax, natural colors, fibers, etc. Some plants are shorter than us, some are of our height, while some are taller than us. Some have branches closer to the ground, while some are higher up on the stem. Some plants have soft green stem, while some have hard woody stem. Some plants like rose, mustard, and mango bear flowers and are called flowering plants. Plants like ferns and algae are called non-flowering plants as they don't bear flowers. Let us study about classification of flowering plants. Flowering plants are classified on the basis of structure and size into five groups, namely herb, shrubs, creeper, climbers, and trees. Herbs, the little ones. They are short plants with thin and soft stem. They have a lifespan of few months to 1 year. Many of them are used for medicinal purposes. Examples of herbs: wheat, coriander, grass, mint, aloe vera, etc. Shrubs, the bushy ones. They are medium sized woody plants. They have branches rising from the base of the plants. They survive for several years. Examples of shrubs are rose plant, hibiscus plant, gooseberry, etc. Creepers, the creepy ones, they are plant with a very weak stem. They are not able to stand erect, so they grow along the ground. They are known as creepers. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Let us study about climbers. The climbing ones, they are plants with weak stems that take some support in order to climb. For examples, grapevine, bitter gourd, etc. Trees, the tall ones. They are tall plants with hard and woody stem. They have one main stem called trunk. Trees live for many years. For example, eucalyptus, banyan tree, etc. Now we are studying about structure of flowering plants. A flowering plant has two main systems, namely the root system and the shoot system. And in this video, we are taking information about the root system. Root system is the underground non-green part of plants. It holds the plants firmly to the ground. There are two types of root system: taproot system and fibrous root system. First upon, we are taking information the taproot system. The taproot system consists of long, thick, large main root known as primary root. Many thin roots arise from the primary root called as the lateral roots. Roots and its branches are covered with fine root hair which help in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. For examples, carrot, radish, mustard, etc. Next is fibrous root system. The fibrous root system has no main root. It consists of cluster of fiber-like roots growing out from the single point just below the stem. For example, maize, wheat, barley, etc. Let us study about functions of root. Roots anchor the plant's fermi in the soil. Root hairs absorb water and minerals from the soil. They also bind the soil particles together, which prevents soil erosion. The soil is neither blown away by air nor swept by water. Modifications of root. The root of certain plants are modified to carry out some specialized functions. Some of the modifications are for storage of food. The roots of certain plants like carrot, turnip, beetroot, radish, and sweet potatoes get modified and become fleshy to store food. The food made by green leaves moves downward to the roots and gets stored there. Plants use this food when climatic conditions are not favorable. For giving additional support, one of the main functions of root is to hold the plant's fermi to the soil. But some plants, due to their large size, need additional support. For this, they have some modified roots which grow from the main stem or from the branches. These roots move down from the stem to reach the ground and grip the soil. These roots give additional support to the plants and are also called aerial or prop roots. They are found in plants like banyan and rubber tree. Thank you for watching my video. If like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.